Hello and welcome to another Wide Up Wednesday! It's that time again of the week where we get to put out another video. And to be honest with you, I am very, very excited for you to see this video. Saffron, why don't you tell everyone what they're doing?
I'm not gonna lie, I think this might be like my favourite thing we have ever done. So we had originally filmed this as an assembly idea, but we just had so much fun and thought it was way too funny to just do it for assembly. So we've decided to turn it into a Wind Up Wednesday. Basically, it's a game of rock, paper, scissors, but whoever loses has to dunk their face into something like flour or tomatoes or custard or horseradish. Who knows? That's what you have to do. So first one to either tap out but let's do first one to tap out and gets to win. So there we go.
So guys, enjoy it. I hope you do enjoy it as much as we do. Have a look at this.
So much fun.
Right, are we ready, Saffron? Let's go.
I'm so ready. I'm going to put my hand under my
Oh, she's... See, I'm going to eat it. It is serious time now.
Let's go.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Snip, 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 snip! Flour, please. Put that flour on.
Oh, no.
Put the flour on. There it is. There it is. Oh, look at that. Face in. Boom. There we go. Nice. All right. Easy. Easy. Okay. Next one.
Yes!
Oh,
Beans.
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 Oh, beans. Beans. It's got sausages in it. Oh, yeah. Bonus.
Beans is my worst one for sure. Get loads on there. Get loads.
There we go. Oh, yeah. That's a whole can. That is a whole can. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to spin my pillow around. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, man, that's cold. That's cold. Okay. What's the next one? Oh, no!
Now flour.
Flour. Oh, this is good again. Sticky. Great, this is good. Yes! I'm going to have custard, please.
Custard, okay. That's a whole tub.
Got choke, Saffron. Alright.
Oh, okay.
Let's do it again.
Oh.
I'm going to go... I'm going to... some of this tomato... It's got garlic in it.
It has.
Dang.
I love garlic, just not on my face.
Look at that.
Oh, okay, don't even tell myself. Hold on a minute.
This is amazing. This is so good.
Oh, it smells so bad.
This is so good. Ready? Let's have some ketchup, please. Just a bit more
Oh,
ketchup.
it's all in my eyes.
Add
My
some
eyes are
extra
stinging.
tomato sauce to that.
This is amazing!
Ooh. Ready? Go. Okay, here we
I
go.
don't know. I can't see, so I can't tell if you're going to win.
You just have to trust me, Saffron.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, no!
Okay, I'm going to go for tomatoes. It smells so bad.
Chopped tomatoes with garlic.
Oh. Smell the whole tin.
Oh,
The whole tin.
It's so strong. Oh, that is so strong. Okay. Oh, that is so
I can
bad.
get the taste of it.
Oh, that is so bad.
Oh. Yeah.
Honestly, guys, if you can smell this right now, this is so bad. Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm done. Okay, ready?
Yes! More flour, please.
Well, oh no.
Get a little cake mix. Oh, this. There we go. Yeah. I've done 3. How many have you got? You've had like 4 or 5. You've had the custard, you've had the beans. You've not had the beans yet. Tomato, flour, spice. You've had 4 then. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Oh
Okay,
no!
I'm going for the horseradish.
Oh no!
Let's see.
This is so spicy. This is like.
It was his idea too.
Oh, I regret this.
Oh, I've got to go. That's my last
Oh, this is. Oh no, I'm regretting this so bad. I'm regretting this so bad. Can't bear any more time.
It's gonna
Oh no!
stick.
Oh my eyes! Oh my eyes! Oh my eyes! Ah! It burns! It's actually burning! Ah! 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 I can't! I ain't got time! I'm from one! I'm from one!
The best thing ever. Guys, I'm so happy. It was so worth it. It smells horrendous, but it's just so good to see that. What a day. What a day to be alive.